Alright, we are going to sleep in the back of the truck tonight. We got Pappy down there. We're going to sleep in the back of the truck. We got our blankets made. Sort of. We still got to straighten them out. And outside, let me just show you outside.
You see out there?
Yeah. Alright. We got our camp table set up and chairs. And my camp bucket with the light. So, there's that.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we're settled in. We got in our back of our truck sleeping. We got the blankets all straightened out. So, we're going to hit the hay and we'll get up in the morning and we'll talk with you later. Alright, good night, everybody.
I should have brought the dog.
You know, he knocked my chair over.
Yeah, did that about 3 o'clock.
Okay, we are camping in the back of the truck right now. So let me just give you we got our bed made now. We're camping in the back of the truck. He's got a lamp up there and I got a lamp up there. But anyway, there's our bed in the back of the truck. And right now we have a chair. We did have 2 chairs, but and a table. 1 chair fell over. I gotta turn out my lights. Make sure these are off now. Set them out. The solo will. Turn my light out. Okay. Set my chair up so it can be drying. But we just have a chair and a table set up. Dog gate on there. We got a mat down for our shoes. And then we got the bed made. So we just slept in the back of the bed of the truck. So we got several air mattresses, seat pads. So it's pretty comfortable. So anyway, there's that.
Looks like this is the campground for tonight.
Okay, everybody. Well, we're back in the truck again for another night. We're stealth camping in the back of the pickup truck. And we're about to call it a night. So
Just call it still sleeping.
yeah, we're still sleeping. All right. So we'll see you in the morning and see what the day brings. Good night, everybody. There's the windmills.
Ruining the countryside. They're so concerned about the environment, they'll tear the top of the mountain off to do that, instead of going underneath it to get the coal.
We're getting all the way down this way. Let me just get out the window.
West? We gotta go east. How did I get that backwards? There's a big weird looking rock. It's one big thin slab goes way back into the mountain. That's weird. And there's a big rock right here. That's
no.
weird too.
Yeah. Did you see the deer? There he is. And there he goes. He just jumped the fence.
Ain't nothing back there with mud.
Okay, so here's some free spots. We saw this one over there, and it's kind of next to the creek, but it's on a hillside, and it wouldn't be very level, but we thought about that spot over there. Here is a spot here, and is that a fire ring?
Actually, 2 spots here. You can get back in there if you need
Let's
to.
see what that fire spot there is. There's a spot over there.
You get your phone inside the window, you're getting it wet.
See this slant? It's kind of a slant right through there. Once it gets a little bit level, or watch, there's a tree right behind you now. Whoa, stop. Is that level to you? For level? Cool. Wake up. Okay, we're going to put our hamburgers.
You're burning the bottom of the
I'm going to put you closer over here. I'm just going to turn the hamburger over. There we go. And we're just going to give them a turn. Enough to get them all heated up and everything. Put your light over here just a little bit closer. So, this is how we're going to cook our hot dogs. We're just going to keep them moving.
Get your hair out of that thing.
Rotate it a little bit.
Told you it was a muddy end down.
So, you can hear the sizzle. I'm going to turn this one time. Keep going. Just going to give them a couple minutes to warm up, and then that's going to be dinner. This way a little bit, just in case. Yep. I think that's warm enough, Dad? I can see some smoke.
Touch them, find up.
Good to get warm.
You can touch them, they ain't warm enough.
Give it a couple more minutes.
Then come in the middle. Pretty red and green lights while you're standing there.
Alright, so let me just show you our camp setup right now. I got the red light hanging on that line, so we know there's a line there. Got my green light hanging over there, so I know there's that. How we doing? Looks like dinner. We have our bed made up in here. You gonna shut it off now? Show up there. There's my bed. We got it made up in there.
We ain't got it made. Everything's served everywhere.
Well, we got it almost made then. All right, let me go get the hamburger buns. Okay, well, no. We got a little bit of a campfire going. Here we are, sitting around the campfire, watching it, and then once it goes out, we'll probably go on to bed. But we're done eating, put everything away, and we're just gonna watch the campfire.
And listen to Chris. She'll never move the sticks to the wheel. She's afraid of it.
Ow.
She'll never move the sticks to the wheel. She's afraid of it.
Okay, well, we're in the back of the truck and we're going to call it a night. We've had a pretty long trip today getting here, but it's free camping and we're boondocking and our campfire's out now and we're in the back of the truck, so I guess we're going to head to bed and we'll see y'all in the morning.
Bug. Get him. Get him. Oh, you missed. Where'd he go?
Alright, turn it off.
Gotta find that bug now. It's gonna make me crazy. I've never seen a green mosquito before. Well, I guess I won't find that bug now.
Well, this is our morning view. Very pretty. It was very peaceful here last night. Very peaceful. And then we just had our chair We had a tarp over the back because it was raining. And then we still had our fire pit. Yeah, I gotta turn the light off the bucket. So. Well, here we are, leaving our little camp here. It was pretty cool. Very interesting. So that's boondocking. So that was us boondocking.